Okay, so this is the 60,000 kilometre milestone video, a follow up on our previous videos on replacing the Ford EF engine head and head gasket. So 60,000 kilometres has been clocked up in the space of about 2 years, and so this car's been travelling on the roads quite a bit, 30,000 kilometres each year. It's been running really well, no issues at all. Couple of peripheral things that have needed changing over the past 2 years. One was a fuel pump, which needed to be changed. Also, we had the oil switch, which is down here. Let's just get the torch to it so you can see it. The oil switch, or the oil pressure sender in the Fairmonts, that need to be changed. So that's the pressure sender switch that goes to the Fairmont instrument cluster that shows you exactly how much oil is in the engine block. That had to be changed using one of these sockets, 27 millimeters. So we changed all that. That was all fixed. And also the header tank needed to be changed. The old one is 25 years old and developed cracks where it connected down to the hose, to the surge tank hose, and that needed to be changed. So I bought a new one, connected the pipe, and as you can see there, I used red Hylamar to basically connect the hose to the surge tank. Now, can't speak highly enough of this red Hylamar. I had another issue, which was the timing chain bolt, and that was leaking oil. Now, in the video, you might remember we used Loctite number 3 to seal the threads, or try to seal the threads, for the timing chain bolt. Now, it didn't seem to work too well. I think bottom line is that Loctite 3 will work really well with thermostats or anything that has a paper gasket to it. The timing chain bolt doesn't, and as a result, we had to do a little bit of work on applying the red Hylamar. Now, it's a bit tricky because basically to get to the timing chain bolt, you've got to take this plastic cover off, and underneath, of course, you've got all the other attachments. You've got your steering, power steering that you've got to remove. You've got to remove the belt as well. There's a whole heap of bolts you need to remove just to get to it. So I had to basically, well, to try and avoid doing all that work, basically what I did was I improvised. You can see a few remnants of red Hylamar down here in an attempt to get to the timing chain bolt. But the upshot is that I was successful in fixing up the oil leak, and I'll just show you how I was able to do it. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got the mirror just showing you the timing chain bolt. And you can see the red Hylamar that I've been able to paste over the remaining threads of the red Hylamar, of the timing chain bolt.